Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This is another Christmas journal and it's a little journal, you can see by the size of my hand. Excuse my fingers, are all inky. So I've used two kits and they're from the Journal Bolt. One is called A Merry Little Christmas and the other one is called Wonderful Christmas Time. I will link the Journal Bolt below and you can go over and check the kits out. So yeah, this one. I used an envelope, like a big envelope. I'm going to see if I can reach one. Used one of these for the cover, and obviously it's been topped with papers from the kit, and it just fit perfectly for this journal. So even though it kind of looks like a hard cover, it's not, it's a soft cover. So this is the paper, and it's got some lace on here. Excuse all the little fluffy bits off of this. There's some lace on the spine. The paper is from the kit, and I've just wrapped it, some of this lace, not lace, ribbon around. It comes off completely, and I really need to defluff this. Everything sticks to it. So the lace comes all the way around, and I've done some stitching, and let me give you the measurements. So the measurements are 6.5 by 3 3/4, and it has a 1 1/4 inch spine. 2 signatures, 72 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and you can find the link to that below. So this I haven't pulled away. I've literally about 10 minutes ago just put this topper on. So this is one of the journal cards from the Wonderful Christmas Time journal kit. And there's another journal card behind there, but you can't actually see what's on it now because I topped it with this. There's cheesecloth, and I will, like I said, I will pull away at that. We've got some jingle bells on here, and on the inside, I'll just really look how cute that is. Let me move that. On the inside, there is some paper from the kit as well, and you can see all the fluffy bits and the lace trims on here. So I printed the pages, the journal pages, two to a page. So literally you get like, obviously when, I don't know how to explain that. So you get like 4 sides, is that right? Am I saying that right? Anyway, you kind of know what I mean. So it's not full, this is actually full size as a kit, but I've shrunk it down. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Then here we have a little pocket, and I've used some of the papers from one of the kits, one of the 2 kits that I've mentioned, because now it's all muddled up with both kits in there. And then here we have a journal card, and this is actually opened, so you can put that there. This is a tag with some fluffy trim. And then this is from the Old Design Shop. Got a little pocket here and a little tag there. This is from the Wonderful Christmas Time. I think that and that tag there was from A Merry Little Christmas. So they're 2 great kits, and they're very inexpensive. I'll have to look to see if she's got any more Christmas kits, because I'm kind of liking the kind of pinks and, like, you know, like the non-traditional colours of Christmas. This is the Bohemian Crafting, and then we have a little pink bunny tag there. And this was a journal card, so I made it into a pocket. This is Bohemian Crafting, some journal space. If you saw my video, I think I put it up last weekend whilst I was away. Glassine bags. I will, at the end of the video on the screen, I will link the video to that. So it's got little tags inside there, and I decorated it there. We've got a tag here. Then in the back here we've got another tag, and I think that's a space as well, so I'll put that there. So I put both of, I made 2 of these on camera, and I've put them in here. And the fluffy trim, which is absolutely everywhere, and that goes on there. Got some lace trim here, got another pocket here with a tag. I love the baubles and the way that was all hanging down with the bells, and a little postcard. So everything I have actually shrunk down. They are bigger in, you know, on the kits, in the kits. Another page from Wonderful Christmas Time kit. This is from A Merry Little Christmas. Little pocket here, journal card there. Is that open? there. Can't remember. No, I didn't leave that opened. This is from A Merry Little Christmas, and I've just used them. They're actually full-size journal pages, and I shrunk them down to make little, like, kind of double journal cards, and that goes in there. The envelope, slightly too big, but I don't mind it popping out. Kind of looks nice just there on the edge, just popping out. Should have shrunk that down just a little bit more. I will have to defluff this. Inside there we have a journal card, and probably glued that in. No, I haven't. Just journal card there with like a poinsettia. Never sure if I say that right or not. Poinsettia. And we've got some eyelash trim on the paper clip. Journal space. Jingle bells. Little pocket. And some tags. And like I said, they have been shrunk down. That's not open. Another pocket here. Another love. I don't know if that's a stag or a reindeer. I think it might be a reindeer. I always get muddled up with them. And same as rabbits and hares. I know it's got something to do with the size of the ears with rabbits and hares, or am I wrong? Lace trim, journal space, postcard. I think that's supposed to be that way actually. It is. Put that in upside down. Postcard from the kits. Little flip out here with Father Christmas. That is open there, so if you wanted to, you can tuck something in there, and then you can tuck something in there as well. That's actually an envelope. Inside the envelope we have a little journal card. That goes in there. Another little pocket, a tag, and another. This is from A Merry Little Christmas. Just a double journal page shrunk down. That goes in there, like so. I should have done all this before I started filming. Center. That's not the center of the signature. It's onto the next signature. Another tag. That's opened there. Little double journal card. That's actually a full-size page, shrunk it down. Little pocket, little tag. Premium crafting, postcard pocket, and tag, and a little postcard there. Another envelope. Little note card inside there. Paper clip holding it in place. Some more lace trim. Little pocket. These pockets are from A Merry Little Christmas. Tag and a little journal card. I have to give this a really good shake. Little journal card. That's is open slightly. That goes in there. And the other glassine bag, like I said, I'll put the video on the screen at the end. And oh, I've got two little journal cards that are the same inside there. Now I can't remember where all this came from. There we go. And does that one goes there, and that one goes behind, or does it? Can't remember. It must have done. There we go. Something like that. I have to go back and watch my video. And the paper clip just holds it in place like so. And I've done two pages together there. There we go. That was clever, wasn't it? I missed it completely. I'm just going to sit it there a minute. I was wasting too much time here. Journal space, center of the signature, jingle bell. Little pocket, and that's got a nice little saying on there. I can't read it right now because I haven't got my glasses on. And my eyesight's getting really bad. I had to buy some more glasses. I didn't actually go to the opticians. I just kind of bought them just for reading. It's only for reading, but what a massive difference it's made. Can't walk around with them on because I feel like the floor's moving, but definitely need them for reading. Little tag, little postcard, fluffy trim everywhere, lace trim, journal space, little tag, little flip out here, got a little pocket there with 2 little tags, and they go in there. And then here we have another journal card. I think that's the right way around, yes. And another little tag there. And is that open? Yes, it is. So you could tuck a little something in there as well. And that is the back. So that is the little journal. I like doing these little journals. They're quite cute. I like being able to hold them in my hand like that, and obviously they're very portable. Excuse me, look at all that trim. Anyway, I will link the journal book below, and the link to my shop where this is on sale, for sale I should say, will be below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.